Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the EarFun Air Pro 4, one of the most exciting new launches in the wireless audio game. From ultra-clear calling to smart noise cancellation, it's got features packed in at a price that won't wreck your wallet. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your earbuds, stick around, because this one might just be your best pick of the year. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. In the box, you'll find a quick start guide and user manual, USB-C charging cable, multiple sizes of ear tips for a perfect fit, the EarFun Air Pro, 4 earbuds neatly tucked into a compact charging case. The case feels sleek and premium with a matte finish and subtle EarFun branding. Let's talk smart features, starting with the EarFun Audio app. With it, you get band EQ customization, preset sound modes like vocal boost or natural. Create your own sound profile using the My Sound function. Switch between sound zones and EQ settings with ease. Whether you're a bass lover or a podcast fan, you'll get the exact sound signature you want. The Air Pro 4 boasts seamlessly smooth connectivity. Google Fast Pair for Android users. Just open the case near your phone and boom, paired instantly. Dual connections. You can connect to your phone and laptop simultaneously and switch audio between them effortlessly. Low latency mode, 50 milliseconds. A lifesaver for gamers and binge watchers alike. And yes, it supports in-ear detection. Remove one, and the music stops. Pop it back in, and playback resumes instantly. You're getting incredible battery endurance here. With the case, a whopping 52 hours total playback. Plus, there's USB-C and wireless charging support. Fast charge gets you hours of listening in just a few minutes. With IPX5 water and sweat resistance, the Air Pro 4 can handle workouts, rain, or intense jogs without worry. The build feels solid and lightweight, making them comfy even during long sessions. Now here's where things get technical and exciting. It comes with a 6-microphone setup. Front feed, back feed, and talk mics in each bud. Combined with AI noise reduction, CVC 8.0 call enhancement technology, you get crystal clear calls, even in noisy places like cafes or busy streets. The mics do an exceptional job isolating your voice from background noise. With aptX adaptive lossless and 24-bit 96 kHz high-res audio streaming, these earbuds rival studio gear. You also get Qualcomm Snapdragon sound, broadcast support with Auracast, and the latest Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a stable, power-efficient connection. For around the price of mid-tier buds, the EarFun Air Pro 4 delivers flagship-level performance. You get top-notch sound with aptX adaptive studio-like, ANC, and mic clarity, jaw-dropping battery life, water resistance dual device support, all packed in a stylish and durable package. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.